Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over determining what temperature to set your fridge at. Right here we have a nice beautiful Frigidaire top mount. This one has a more analog style. So if we see right here, it says recommended setting. So I'm going to move this dial a little bit. So you see that little dot right there? That's going to be the best recommended temperature for this fridge. Now they could all differ. You might have to adjust depending on what you have in your fridge, stuff along those lines, how old it is. Like I said, this is a more analog style. We can go over to a digital style and we'll show you where that is as well in there. Over to this KitchenAid. When we look right up here on our panel, you'll see 38 for this fridge is recommended and 0 degrees is recommended for the freezer. So again, you can adjust how you need to. Each manufacturer will have a different recommendation. Typically it's 37 or 38 degrees. It just depends on them. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.